So we've just arrived at a jumble trail event and we've got the biggest map ever in the world. It's like,
I don't even know if that really helps me. Go. Is that so? That's there.
yeah, we're
there.
pointing up there, aren't we? Because we've just come. I think we've just come up there, and we're now here. So we're pointing this way. Where's the stalls on it then?
I'm guessing it's these dots.
But you said there was like 60 odd. There's only about 10 dots. Oh, there you go. This lists where they are on the roads. So in Berry Way there's those, and Betty's Close there's those. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, not helpful.
Anyway, we're going to try and navigate our way around this. We reckon there's 60 odd stalls. And we'll see if we can find anything good. Do you know where you're going?
No, not a clue.
Yeah, there's this thing. This is a talking one.
Pound 75p. They're jelly cats, aren't they? They're so beautiful.
Lisa's got one just
Oh, that's, yeah, Nina's bunny.
Yeah.
How much on your jelly cat?
Probably £2.50 for that one.
Wow, you've got all the toys already.
Done!
Oh, that's Bert and Ernie on here.
Let's get someone to walk in. They are lovely, aren't they?
Okay, so
Just £5.
5 on those, thank you so much.
Here.
I'm going to try and do this up.
Yeah, don't drop them.
If you need any help, let me know. I think you might have some cleaning. Next time we'll explain that. No, let me know if you need any help.
Right.
Yes, I get a bit tired.
Okay, so first stop. I did buy the being in the end that you may have seen in that clip. He's like an all singing, all dancing one. A couple of jelly cats. And then I just got a DAB radio for £2 and a set of Henselite bowls for £3. Oh.
Yeah, £3. That's a bit of a bargain, isn't it?
So a £5 all in. Yeah, pretty good. They're really old ones. They're not the more valuable modern ones, but they'll be okay. Right, where to?
I don't know. Do you think this is Paradise Lane? Because this is Fire Lane that we've come in.
Well, Paradise should be down the end of there.
Yeah, so that's not even on it. Don't even know what that is.
So we'll go down to the
There's
end.
2 here, obviously.
Are there any in there?
Yeah.
Paradise?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go down there. Matchbox Super Kings. That's cool. 2 little Super Kings. Interesting. It's an Ergly Merg. Ergly Merg. Steins, I've seen a few people picking up those.
Florida.
I'll leave it up here. So
Windsor Castle.
I don't know how much they are, they might be cheap.
How much are your mugs?
Yeah, 25 pence, yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Could you clean the thing for her, please? Yeah, just dust it down.
Yeah, I might get
And
that
then
one
we'll
then.
put it out
It
for
looks
a fight.
interesting.
They're
doesn't
all
it?
the same, all 25 pence, yeah.
Oh, that's
I
the
think it's so that
Oh,
peeing
yeah.
guy from
yeah.
Brussels.
Brussels.
Yeah, famous.
The mannequin pea.
Okay, so we got some items at 25p. A beer stein, a random skull,
And an ugly mug.
ugly mug. Awesome. Right, you wanted to look after those. Does Ellen still want a bag for a camera?
I don't know what she wants.
Probably too big anyway, is it?
it's a bike hanger.
This one? Oh, I was just looking at that. Yeah, it's probably too big. My daughter needs a camera bag. But was it?
I've got 2 copies of that book, which is nice. That's a lovely book.
Oh, yeah.
There's only 2 copies.
Nice one for Ian.
Oh, yeah.
The Untold Story. And your lamp?
Yeah, I keep it.
Sounds good. You want that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we got a Mathmos original lava lamp, £2. And a book. Is this for you?
Potentially.
Potentially. Cool.
Oh, does it? Oh, okay.
What's that one?
Oh, yeah, it comes with it.
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is quite random. A load of metalworking tools. They've got to be a bargain at the prices I was paying. These are labelled as made in Italy. Yeah, they were interesting. Bing and his buddy. And a bunch of DVDs. Like that. See a jug.
Yeah, I was just about to say I spy a jug.
You can spot a jug from 50 yards, can't you?
It's quite modern.
Okay.
Sorry? Yes, I will do.
Donald's.
Donald's Space Jam. Cards or stickers. Don't know.
Different. Oh, there's another one of those. I had one of these recently. Oh, it's one that goes on your back. Do you know what price you've got on the sprayer?
Dad, price.
The spray, the Alex.
25 quid.
Yeah. Okay.
It's never been out the box.
Yeah, the neighbour's collection here. It's on the bottom of that one. The Cocoon pottery stamping.
It's a shame the lid's been smashed on that.
Was it?
Yeah, if you look under.
Yeah. She said it's very old. Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's the ground, I guess.
Yep. Oh, God, it's a full one.
Well, I checked it out. They're £14 or £15 on eBay, but it's got a little chip and a tail.
Oh yeah, a
So-
little tiny one.
Yeah. I've been taken off on it.
I've not seen that before. Okay. Nothing today then? Do you know if that's running okay?
It should be. I
Yeah.
can check it out. It was when I put it away.
Yeah.
If you want to take it and check
Um,
it out and pop back if it's not, but it should be.
Okay. It's got 10 on it. Is that the best you go on it?
So, got
Yeah.
a tenner in it.
Okay.
Quality piece of equipment like that.
Yep. Go on, I'll grab it. Right, so paid 10. Should be a good one.
Hey guys, come in.
Hello.
Just giving up on socks.
And there's socks everywhere.
Come in, he's really friendly.
Yeah, lovely news. Take care. Come bless you. Out of the way.
No trouble? Yes, yes.
We're just using them as advertising. Just to coax people in.
Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. For that? Or is it just the
No, it's
backgammon?
just backgammon.
No problem.
We've,
Thank
we're
you so
backgammon
much.
mad. I
Yeah,
think that's
I've
our
not-
fourth board, so we were like,
Ah.
right, we need to get rid of some
I've
now.
not played it for years. I should get back into it. It's
I
a
love
great
it.
game.
I purely learned through lockdown. My partner taught me, and
Yeah.
now I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
I think he wishes he'd never taught me because I just sit there
You
playing.
play it on your phone.
Yeah,
The
I
one
do.
we play is Othello. Have you played
Oh,
Othello?
no, I haven't.
Check it out.
Yeah, I
It's-
might do
It'll
it.
drive you mad, but it's a
Really?
brilliant game. Yeah.
Oh,
Well, we met a dog. Oh, there's a really low red kite up there. Got something in his mouth.
I've never seen him that close before.
Look at that.
Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. The size of him.
Goodness.
Wow. Excellent. And we just met a dog. What was the dog called? Bruce. And we bought a little Breville thingy for £2. What are these things called? It's like a NutriBullet,
Yeah.
really. Yeah, that sort of thing. It's a smoothie maker. Yeah.
Small.
It's interesting. It's a label. Okay.
On a logo game.
Sorry?
On a logo game.
Yeah. I don't know if that's priced. Oh, two. Don't know how much that's got on it. I'd like to find out how much that is. And that's got 20 on it. 144 markers. How much is the brother thing?
I don't know. Fiver?
Yeah, fiver.
Oh, that sounds perfect. And these, you've got 20 on there, yeah, for the whole?
Yeah. Do you just want certain ones?
No, I was thinking on the lot actually. Is that the best you can do if I took the lot?
I paid £55 for it.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm being
15?
rude. Okay, yeah. I'll grab that as well, so that's 22. Okay, so we grabbed a logo game and a brother label maker for a fiver, and then these I paid 15 on. Very cool.
That's what's left.
Yeah, it looks like it's got some age to it. How much were you thinking on that?
Fiver.
Okay.
I've checked that, as you can see, every character's on. That's spares for, well, paperwork and
Yeah.
paper.
What are you hoping for on this?
Tenner on that.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
can plug it in if you want to
No, that's fine.
play.
Okay, that was quite successful. I've got this really nice kind of leather, you reckon 1960s attaché sort of case. What is that noise? A child. And inside it, I love this. Brings back memories of my childhood. Ice cream scoop. And one of these graters. And then this sharp typewriter, which was 8. That was 5. And we paid 3 on the other bit, so 16 all in on that lot. So you bought some breakable glass, and I got these 3 new sealed turtle sets. I paid 10 on the 3. Okay. Little vinegar pot there. German like focus.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's quite a small one, but
Colours on that.
dinky. A vinegar jar for Pete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much have you got on these?
50p each.
What about your glasses as well?
Pound for the set.
You're gathering now, aren't you? Here we go. Strange, huh? Not, I don't know.
Candle holder, isn't it?
Yes, I believe so.
nice. There's 3 glasses, candle holder and a mug. £5 for the lot.
So, coming up in the next clip is the £300 chicken I mentioned in the title of this video. But blink and you'll miss it, because, let me show you it first. This is it. It's a tiny little thing, the 2-part ceramic chicken by Emma Bridgewater. But this particular design is one of the rarest ones. And at the time, neither Andrea, who spotted it and bought it, or myself knew that it was anything special at all, so we barely pay any attention in the video. And when we go back to the car and do a little lap up of the things we buy in the next clip, we don't even mention it. It was that insignificant to us at the time. But on eBay, the last 3 of this specific Hearts design Emma Bridgewater chicken have sold for over £300, so that's the price it's currently listed at. Crazy. So keep your eyes peeled in the next clip. It's there, it's in Andrea's hand, but like I say, blink and you'll miss it. Hello.
Hiya.
Did you want a big poo?
No.
You don't want a poo? You don't need a poo. How many times can I say that joke? How much did you want for the box of wrestlers and stuff?
£5.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's all relatively new as well.
Yeah.
So it's not the
Okay.
old.
That sounds like a good idea. Keep looking.
The 3 spider.
It's got a
Yeah,
big
they're coming out the trees.
Yeah.
Everywhere, I'm afraid.
You like him?
Yeah, I don't want to take the spider home though.
No. How much have you got on the Meccano down there as well?
£2.
Yeah? Okay,
You know when
that
you
sounds
buy
good.
That will.
What you found?
Yeah, I'm going to take that little chicken.
Oh.
There's another spider.
Yeah, they're flying around over here, unfortunately.
How much are your games on here?
£1.
Right, just had a dilemma. Thought I'd lost the camera, but it wasn't.
In your
Lost.
back pocket.
It's in my back pocket. Shh. Anyway, we just picked up a load of vintage Tupperware for £2 the lot. That's a bit funky. Got a Spider-Man glow-in-the-dark Connect set, and in here a Meccano set, and a load of wrestlers, and some video games. 15 lot.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
It's huge. Biggest pumpkin in the world.
Spiders, keep being attacked by
Oh, we
spiders.
got everyone saying about the spiders today. I don't know why. I'll leave you to have a little look.
Okay,
Yeah.
there you go.
Go. Thank you.
I was just thinking of getting a couple for Ellen to take back with her. She can eat them then, once she's displayed them.
Look at that.
Right,
They look like they've mutated.
that's cool. Should get one of them and a green one.
Look at that. Yeah. Well, I'm paying 50p for my badges, which are in here. So I'm gonna get those.
Yeah, tiny pumpkin things for Ellen,
Yep, they're
so she
cool.
can actually take them to train home with her.
And then these I think I showed. They're little Sunday school medals. There's probably not much value in them, but they're really cool. 50p the lot, why not? There's back in there. Job done.
The key and that is there for that, and it takes a computer or laptop in the back pocket there.
Right.
Oh. And the strap is inside. It's hard to use. How much is it, these? What's it worth to you? Yeah. I was thinking about a fiver.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I must say it's still got the original credit card things in the pocket there for the.
Yeah, I think we could do that. 5, 6,
7.50.
It's not just any lamp.
It's
an M&S lamp. Not just any old lamp. And a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker was £1. Lamp was £1.50. And then a leather laptop case, briefcase for a £5. Is this like a talking one or
Yeah,
something?
he does. He did. You might need batteries.
How much
He's
is he?
been stored. You've got yeah, he's turned off. That's why.
How much did you want
No,
for it?
we've still not got batteries. £2.
I'll give that a go, thank you. I've seen those, they're kind of like pastel ones.
Like that amber glass,
Lovely.
nibbles tray, whatever you want to call it.
First Nerf gun of the day. And then we got some unusual Disney plushes that we're not quite sure what they're from. It's a pair. Anybody know what these are from? Do you want to pad that with these?
Wow,
I'll put them there, you can put that in between.
that
Alright.
works. Yeah. I'm just not sure where to put this. I'll just pop it here.
Sorted.
There's a couple of different designs of those ones actually, I think.
Halfway down it changes, yeah, to those
Okay.
ones, yeah. How much are you asking? Maybe £3? Yeah.
Have a look, see what- We might have to rearrange. So you put a load of plates,
Plates.
and you probably saw I got the typewriter for £5 in the end. We need to rearrange.
There is some packing paper in there, isn't there? If we could.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Vegan nail varnish.
Yeah, vegan nail varnish is generally very expensive. And I got them for £2.50 each. £5 for the pair.
Cool. And then I think I stopped filming, but the guy had loads of software, and the retro stuff was all £2 each. I said to him, if you can come down to £1 each, I'll buy lots, and I bought 24. There's a few good titles in here. There's some I really have no idea, but yeah, I think I'll do okay. There's a few titles that I know are pretty good. There's no home runs in there, but the condition was really nice on the majority of it. A few will need
And you
to.
can't help yourself.
Well, I haven't found video games today, so I bought a bag full. Where's it gonna go?
I don't know where it's going to go.
Stopped for some food, and then we picked up this at the last stall. Oh, hello. We got it for £3. It's a really nice mirror with a lot of age to it, so that was kind of cool. Time for some food. You munching? And that was it. That was the last of the footage we got. Sorry for the abrupt ending there. Thank you so much for watching. I will pop another one of our videos up here for you. Please check that one out. Take care, and I'll see you soon.